Okay, hey there, guys. I appreciate you watching the video. I just want to very quickly say something that may surprise you. You don't need to make more money to fix your credit. I've had a few people ask me how they can go about fixing their credit if they're making the same amount of money that they always have been, without having to get another job or anything, or an online side hustle or anything like that. Um, so, number one, you don't need to pay a credit repair attorney or an online guru or anything else. You don't need to pay anybody thousands or hundreds of dollars just to do it for you, okay? If you've ever searched how to fix my credit, best credit repair company, you've probably been led to believe that it's complicated, legal, or risky, but it's not, all right? What is complicated is the industry that's built around keeping you dependent. Most people think they need an attorney, and it's the biggest lie in credit repair. You don't need someone special to dispute inaccurate or outdated information. The truth is, everything that a credit attorney does is based on consumer protection laws that already apply to you. The Fair Credit Reporting Act, the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act. These laws, they don't require an attorney for you to use them. They require knowledge and consistency. And that's where a lot of people fail. Not because of the money, just because the knowledge that is out there is miscommunicated in so many different ways that it's just people view it as being too convoluted and too complex. Now, the credit gurus, they love the complexity. They love to make it seem like it's so difficult for you to do because complexity makes you feel powerless. It makes you feel like you need them to do it. All right. You're going to hear things like advanced disputing strategies or secret loopholes or proprietary methods. But here's the reality. Credit bureaus don't care who submits paperwork. They care if it's accurate, timely, and compliant with their procedures, their policies and procedures. A do-it-yourself credit repair system does the exact same thing that a guru does, but it teaches you how to utilize credit and how it actually works, and it doesn't cost you hundreds or thousands of dollars. Once you understand it, you don't need anyone holding your hand. You don't need to continue to pay somebody to keep your credit intact. So this is the part that people never hear. When you fix your credit, you're not just fixing a score. You're learning. You will learn how accounts report, how errors happen, how lenders evaluate risk, and how to prevent your credit from reaching that same negative point in the future. And that knowledge, it compounds. And that's why a do-it-yourself credit repair system outperforms paid services long term. You don't need more income. You need less leakage. So let me be very clear here. Bad credit is not an income problem. It's a cash flow problem. Higher interest rates, higher insurance premiums, denied approvals, those things quietly drain. Every single month, those things quietly drain your money. Every single month. Fixing your credit doesn't require a raise. It doesn't require a second job. It doesn't require a windfall or a side hustle or anything like that. It requires you stopping that leakage of money. So I'm not here talking theory. I used a do-it-yourself credit repair system myself. I raised my score by 270 points. I didn't pay a guru a dime. I didn't pay an attorney a dime. Nothing like that. I did everything myself. A do-it-yourself system that has all of the pre-form letters. All you need to do is fill in your own information. It tells you where to send them, when to send them, how to send them, absolutely everything. And all you need is just the will to do it, the understanding of how the system works, and you need to apply it consistently. So when you pay someone else, you rent the results. Basically, you're renting results when you pay someone else. When you fix your credit yourself, you own that skill. And once you own it, you can never lose it. That's why a do-it-yourself credit repair system, a DIY credit repair system, isn't just cheaper, it's smarter. So if you're serious about improving your credit score, don't ask, who should I pay? Ask, what do I need to understand? Because credit repair, it's not magic, it's education. Once you learn it, you'll never be dependent on anyone else again. So I appreciate you watching the video. If you have any questions at all, comments, I always read them, good or bad. I appreciate you watching the video. If this helps you out, you got any value from it, I really hope you hit that subscribe button. And if there's anything you want me to cover or anything you want to know, reach out. Appreciate you guys watching.